Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here with Windows Central. We're at IFA 2018, and today we're taking a look at the new Asus ZenBook series. So these are going to come in 13, 14, and 15 inch. There's also a new flip version that turns into a tablet. And what makes these laptops really interesting is going to be the screen size. So these are 92% screen to body ratio, very thin bezels, but they don't sacrifice the webcam. So you still get a webcam above the display, and more interestingly, they still support Windows Hello facial recognition. We haven't seen that in such a thin design before. It goes to show you just how micronized this technology is getting. The other features on the 13 and 14 inch, there's a number pad built into the trackpad. So you hit a little button and it glows. And for you guys who really just want to be able to crunch numbers on these devices without having dedicated numpad, well, this is a problem that is now solved. Don't worry, on the 15 inch, it just does have a dedicated number pad to the right-hand side as usual. Now for specifications, we're talking Intel Core i5 and i7. These are 8th generation Intel Whiskey Lake series, so it's gonna be the brand new ones that are just coming out to market. You get up to 1 terabyte PCIe storage on there, up to 16 gigs of RAM, which is really nice as well. For those displays, you can get them in Full HD and up to 4K on the 15-inch model. The other cool thing is these laptops ship with really nice graphics. So the 15-inch has a GTX 1050 Max-Q design, and the 13 and 14-inch have the MX 150. That's really kind of cool. We haven't seen an MX 150 in the 13-inch series before, so we get that for the first time here from Asus. Now for pricing and availability, the 13 and 14-inch start at $899, the 15-inch starts at $999. They'll be available in October, but you have to check your region and locality for availability. Now for ports, you can get a wide assortment, including HDMI, USB-A, and Type-C. Doesn't look to be Thunderbolt 3, at least not on all of them, but we'll have to check out. You'll still get a micro SD slot on the 13 and 14 inch. On the 15, you get a full SD card reader as well. So there's a quick look at the new Asus ZenBooks. We'll have more at IFA 2018, so make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. Now for ports, they all vary a little bit, but they're going to have an HDMI, USB Type-C, USB-A. And there's a guy right behind me. That's cool.